Did you know that after the age of 70, your muscles can weaken at almost twice the speed compared to when you were just a decade younger? Yep, one minute you're carrying groceries like a champ, and the next, your arms are begging for mercy. But here's the kicker. It doesn't have to be that way. Today, we're diving into why your muscles seem to betray you after 70, and more importantly, how you can fight back and stay strong. Okay, let's set the scene. You've spent your whole life staying relatively active, walking the dog, gardening, maybe even lifting the occasional grandkid. But somewhere around the big 7-0, things start to feel different. Your muscles get tired quicker, your strength seems to vanish overnight, and suddenly even simple tasks feel like a workout. This phenomenon isn't just in your head, it's called sarcopenia, a natural part of aging where muscle mass decreases and weakness sets in. But why does it hit so hard after 70? Let's break it down. Why does muscle weakness speed up after 70? Imagine your muscles as a loyal team that's been with you through thick and thin. But after 70, some of the most dependable team members decide to retire without notice. That's because the body's ability to produce muscle-building proteins drastically drops, leaving you with less muscle mass and more fatigue. Your motor neurons, the little connectors that tell muscles to move, also start to fizzle out. Fewer signals mean less muscle activation. And let's not forget hormones. Your levels of testosterone and growth hormone, key players in muscle maintenance, are dwindling faster than snacks at a family reunion. And of course, inactivity plays a sneaky role. Maybe you're moving less because of joint pain or simply because life has slowed down. The less you move, the weaker your muscles get. It's like your body saying, if you're not using it, I'm losing it. So, how do you fight back against this sneaky muscle heist? Here are 3 battle strategies. Number 1, strength training. Yep, even now. Think of your muscles as a loyal team that has supported you throughout life's challenges, lifting groceries, gardening, or even just helping you get up from a chair. As the years go by, it's natural for that team to feel a little worn out. But here's the good news. You can motivate them to get back on track with just a bit of consistent effort. One of the most effective ways to regain strength, even after 70, is through light strength training. Now, don't worry. This isn't about lifting heavy weights or doing strenuous workouts. Instead, it's about gentle, consistent movements that remind your muscles they still play a vital role. Lifting light weights or using resistance bands twice a week can work wonders. It's like giving your muscles a friendly nudge saying, "Hey, don't give up on me just yet." The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. You don't need to spend hours in a gym or invest in bulky equipment. Light dumbbells or resistance bands are easy to use at home, whether you're watching TV or enjoying some music. By staying consistent, you'll gradually notice your muscles responding, becoming stronger and helping you maintain your independence. Remember, it's not about lifting the heaviest weight. It's about keeping your body active and resilient, one gentle step at a time. Number 2, protein. Protein, protein. As we age, our bodies undergo natural changes that can make maintaining muscle mass a bit more challenging. One of the most crucial factors in keeping your muscles strong and resilient is protein intake. Simply put, your body needs more protein now than it did in your younger years to preserve muscle strength and function. Experts recommend aiming for approximately 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight daily. That might sound a bit technical, but it's simpler than you think. For someone weighing around 150 pounds, that translates to roughly 80 grams of protein a day. Incorporating protein-rich foods into your meals doesn't have to be complicated. Think about starting your morning with scrambled eggs, enjoying a grilled chicken salad for lunch, or treating yourself to a savory salmon fillet at dinner. If you're feeling a bit adventurous, add a protein smoothie to your routine. Protein doesn't just help maintain muscle, it also supports your overall energy and helps you stay active. Remember, it's not just about eating more, it's about eating smart. Prioritizing protein can make a big difference in how you feel, move, and maintain your strength as the years go by. Stay proactive, and let protein be your ally in staying strong and independent. Number 3, stay active. Daily. As we get older, staying active becomes more than just a good habit. It's essential for maintaining strength, balance, and overall well-being. The secret lies not in doing intense workouts, but in keeping your body moving consistently with gentle activities. Think of it as giving your muscles a little daily reminder that they're still needed and appreciated. Incorporating light physical activities into your routine doesn't have to feel overwhelming. Simple yet effective movements like walking around the neighborhood, practicing Tai Chi in the morning sun, or even swaying to your favorite tunes in the living room can do wonders. These activities aren't just exercises, they're ways of keeping your body and spirit connected. Walking, for instance, helps with cardiovascular health while gently engaging your leg muscles. Tai Chi, with its slow, flowing movements, enhances flexibility and balance, key factors in preventing falls. And light dancing? It's not just fun. It's a great way to boost coordination and keep your joints happy. Consistency is key. A little bit every day adds up over time, reinforcing your body's ability to stay resilient. So, whether you're stepping out for a walk or dancing in your living room, remember, movement is medicine. Keep your muscles on their toes, literally, and they'll thank you by keeping you active and strong. And hey, don't worry about starting late. Studies show that even after 70, muscle strength can significantly improve with consistent effort. You're not too old to be strong, just too wise not to try. Have you ever noticed how stubborn your body can be when you ask it to do something simple, like stand up without grunting? Yeah, getting older is like negotiating with your own muscles. Sometimes they just don't cooperate. But with the right moves, you can show them who's boss. Muscle loss after 70 might feel like an inevitable part of aging, but it doesn't mean you're destined to feel weak. By staying active, adding a little resistance training, and keeping your protein levels up, you can give your muscles a second wind. Remember, it's never too late to take charge of your strength. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a little motivation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on staying strong, healthy, and active, no matter your age. And hey, drop a comment below. What's one small change you'll make to keep your muscles strong?